Hello everyone, this is me, Pratik Goyal. Today we will be solving problem substring matching pattern. In this problem, we have given a string S and we have given a pattern string P, where P contains exactly one asterisk character. The asterisk in P can be replaced with any sequence of 0 or more characters, and we have to return true if P can be made a substring of S and false otherwise. So what is a substring? Substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. Okay. So let's look into the example. So in this we have given a string S as Leetcode and P as E asterisk E. So here P E is matching with this E and this E is matching with this, and these are the T C O D is matching with the asterisk. Okay. So from that what we can observe is, like, if we are having an asterisk in the starting, that means we just have to check the remaining character in the string, because all other characters can be replaced. Okay. Or if we are having a asterisk in the end, then also we just have to check the remaining thing in the string. If it exists, then we can return true. But the only case we have to check is when the asterisk is in between of that. Okay, so when the asterisk is in between, then we have to check the left part, which is EE, in the string. So whenever we get the part EE, then we just have to find out the right part in the remaining string. So we remained with T code, and we have to find out the E. Whenever we get the E in this remaining string, then we can return true. Okay. So let's look into the code. So first we have taken the length of string, we have taken the length of pattern. After that we are checking that if the asterisk is in the starting position, then we can just check the characters from the first position in the string. If the asterisk in the last position, then we can just check the remaining character in the s. So whenever the asterisk is in the middle, we are having a left part, we are having a next part. So we will check the left part in the string. So whenever it is matched, then we will be checking the next part in the remaining string. If it is matched, then we are returning true. If it doesn't match, then we can just return the false. Okay, so that's it for this program. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be trying to resolve it. Thank you.